This video will detail the connection method of smoke detector and heat detector. We will present the ring wiring method to you. In the ring connection state and operating together with the isolated module, the detection loop will be polarized. This is the VI66-7 smoke detector. This is the VI6637 heat detector. This is the VB6617 detector base. The detector base provides two wiring terminals. Terminal 1 is connected to the positive of the detection loop. Terminal 2 is connected to the negative of the detection loop. The left terminal is the positive and the right terminal is the negative of loop out. The brown cable is connected to the positive of loop out. The white cable is connected to the negative of loop out. Connecting the brown cable to terminal 1 of the detector base. The wiring harness leading to the second detector is also connected here. Connecting the white cable to terminal 2 of the detector base. The wiring harness leading to the next detector is also connected here. Connect next detector base in the same way. If this is the last device of this loop, we need to connect the end of the cable to the loop in terminal of the fire alarm control panel. Fix the brown cable to the loop in plus terminal. Fixed white cable to loop in negative of the terminal.